How to plant grass before a heavy rain. If you need to plant grass seed, whether you are trying to make your lawn look nicer or replanting a bare spot of your yard, before a heavy rain is the best time to sow. You have to be careful because heavy rains can wash away the tiny grass seeds. A little preparation will help keep the grass seed in place, giving it a chance to germinate and eventually giving you healthy-looking grass. Things you'll need: shovel, garden rake, loose soil or compost, seed, hay. Prepare the bare area of your yard before planting your grass seed. Turn the soil over using a shovel. Rake through the soil to remove any large lumps or rocks. Make the soil as smooth as possible. Loosen it to a depth of about 1 inch to allow the seed to take root easily. Mix some grass seed into your loose soil or compost. Use 2 parts soil to 1 part seed. Mix well so that the seed is thoroughly incorporated into the soil. Moisten the soil with just enough water to make the grass seed stick to the soil, but make sure the mixture is still fairly loose so you can easily spread it around. Spread the seed and soil mixture in a thin, even layer where you want to plant new grass. Cover any areas where you put the soil and grass seed mixture to help hold the seed and soil in place and to keep torrential rains from washing the seed away, but still allowing the seed to get the necessary moisture needed for germination. Tips: warnings. Planting your grass seed just before it rains saves you a lot of time and money if you have to pay for your water. If you know you want to plant grass seed, prepare the area and the soil and seed mixture so it is ready for you to spread on a day when you are expecting rain. If you want to just replenish the grass in your lawn, you do not have to do as much prep work. Mow the lawn and rake to remove any loose grass. Mix your loose soil and seed and then spread it around your lawn. There is no need to cover it with hay since the established grass will help hold the seeds in place.